Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are unboxing AirPods Pro second generation. So looks a dashing packing and very compact one. Looks very decent. Now we are unboxing it. Smooth finishing. The box is very easy to open. Yeah. Here we go. Designed by Apple in California. Here we are having the second generation AirPods Pro Apple with MagSafe Charging. Here we go. So these are our AirPods Pro. Very lightweight. And we have the MagSafe for the charging. So that was the MagSafe with the charging mode, and this box is very small and just good finishing. They're providing something here also. Okay, so here we have some covers. We have one charging cable. So we got one charging cable. Adapter they are not providing as usual, so we don't have the adapter. We have the charging cable. We had two covers for the AirPods, and as usual we have the Apple sticker. We're missing here. Okay, so they don't provide the Apple sticker in this one. So this is the user manual. Okay friends, so this was the unboxing for Apple AirPods Pro second generation. Thanks for watching and stay connected, stay happy. Thank you.